In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pie chart in Excel. Pie charts are great for showing how parts make up a whole, and with Excel, creating one is quick and customizable. Before we start, make sure your data is ready. You should have a simple table with category names in one column and their corresponding values in the next. Keep the list concise for readability. Too many tiny slices can be hard to interpret. First, open Excel and go to the worksheet that contains the table you want to visualize. Click anywhere inside your table, then select the full table. You can drag to highlight all the cells, or if your data is in a neat block without blank rows, clicking inside the range and pressing Ctrl+A often selects it all. Be careful to exclude totals or subtotals if you don't want them included in the chart. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. In the Chart section, look for the pie icon. When you click it, you'll see options for 2D and 3D pie charts. A 2D pie is typically easier to read and is preferred for clarity, while 3D can add visual flair but may distort slice sizes slightly. Choose the style that suits your needs. As soon as you select the type, Excel will place a pie chart on your sheet using the data you selected. From here, you can design your chart to make it clear and professional. Use the Chart Design and Format tabs that appear when the chart is selected. Add a descriptive chart title that tells your audience exactly what they're looking at. Choose a color palette that makes each slice distinct without overwhelming the eye. Consider turning on data labels so viewers can see values or percentages directly on the slices. You can also adjust the legend's position or remove it if labels make it redundant. If you need more emphasis, you can slightly pull out a slice, but use that sparingly. If the chart doesn't look right, you can adjust the data. Right-click the chart and choose Select Data to change the range or remove unwanted items. Editing the labels or values directly in the worksheet will update the chart automatically. If several categories are very small, you might group them into an Other row to keep the chart clean. Finally, resize or reposition the chart on your sheet to fit your layout. And that's it. You opened Excel, selected your table, inserted a pie chart, chose the style, and customized the design and data for clarity. Save your workbook, and you're ready to share your insights.